Hello everyone, my name is Rashail Anwar and you're watching Complete Education Pakistan. Today, our topic is whole numbers and operations, Unit 1, Part 3, Grade 5, Math, based on One Nation One curriculum. So let's start. Addition and subtraction. Addition. After the construction of new national hospitals, 40,655 beds were arranged during first month. In the second month, 32,263 more beds were arranged. Find the total numbers of beds by adding the number 40,655 and 32,263. We can find the total number of beds. Number of beds in first month plus number of beds in second month becomes 72,918. Try yourself. Add 567,098 and 381,940. There are 124,789 mathematics book and 200,699 English books in a digital library. Find the total number of books. Mathematics books plus English books equals 325,488. Add 293,109 and 625,834. So the answer comes 918,943. Find the sum of the smallest and the greatest 6-digit numbers. Try yourself. Subtraction. During a tea plantation campaign, 554,876 trees were planted in March. In April, 263,755 trees were planted. Find in which month more trees were planted? How many more trees were planted? Trees planted in March plus trees minus tree planted in April. The difference will become 291,121. More trees were planted in March and 291,121 more trees were planted. Try yourself. Make any two 6-digit numbers, then find their difference. A toy factory manufactured 598,248 toys, out of which 446,719 toys are of plastic. How many toys are non-plastic? To find the number of non-plastic toys, we will subtract 446,719 from 598,248. So when we plus total toys with plastic toys, and the answer of non-plastic toys is 151,529. Subtract 289,344 from 760,862. So now when we minus these two, it becomes 471,580. Try yourself. Find the difference of the smallest 6-digit number and the greatest 5-digit number. As many of notes I have told you that try yourself has on it, is that you're gonna do it yourself. And please send me a photo or tell me in the comment section below that how you did it. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to subscribe to our channel Complete Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. See you in the next video.